This is my channel, Kai's channel. Hello.
Hope everyone is doing all right.
Is it okay if I can call you videos?
I don't know what he's talking about.
Is it okay?
What, you're gonna say Kai's videos? Not Kai's channels? Not Kai's channel?
Videos.
Sure. Kai, welcome to Kai's videos.
You should check out Life with Noi.
Yes. The link will be down
below.
Oh, he helped me finish my sentence for me.
Link down below.
Okay, what are we making today, Kai?
Slime! This is the ingredients. First, we're going to use some of this.
This is the activator, right?
Yeah.
Well, guess what? It's glow-in-the-dark activator.
Yeah, we're going to use 1 full cup.
We're gonna use 1 teaspoon. And this is the glue.
Yes. So
show the other materials over there.
Stick bag, this, and glitter.
So this is the Ziploc bags that we're gonna put the slime in after we're finished making it. The popsicle sticks we're gonna use to mix it with. And this is the sparkles. This is the sparkles that we are going to incorporate into the slime. Okay.
Let's start the video, baby. This glow-in-the-dark activator replaces baking soda and
lens solution.
Perfect. Now we're gonna add some glue. So we're gonna eyeball it.
Yes, since we don't have an exact measurement of how much glue is supposed to go inside the ball, we're just gonna eyeball it. And Ness, which is the cameraman, will be helping us understand the what's it called? The consistency of the glue. And Kai's pouring it in.
I know how to pour that much, and I know how much you pour.
Okay.
That's enough. That's enough. I'm gonna add the activator. I'm gonna mix it with 2 green sticks.
Popsicle sticks.
It's gonna get to a point where you have to start playing with it with your hands.
Gosh.
You have to knead it.
What are you doing? Are you taking breaths?
Yeah.
You need some help?
Yes.
Okay.
Not
Do you
yet.
want to give it to Ness?
Not yet. Is this the point where I need to play with it?
No.
Oh, you got some more activator. Oh my gosh!
Yes, Ness, work it. How much activator do you need to add?
The whole bottle.
Until it gets to the right consistency.
Okay.
The whole bottle. Then you add the whole bottle. Let's get help.
Oh, you're taking a stick.
Oh my god, Ricky. So badly it's. Look how long it goes.
I see.
Put.
Does it need that much?
Yes, it does. It needs the whole bottle.
Because Kai poured so much glue.
Try to get the right consistency of slime. I can't say it properly.
It's okay. Consistency.
Consistency. Let's try.
No, it's gonna stick everywhere.
Oh, this is good. Sorry, Ness. These are just like chopsticks. Okay.
Okay, how's it going now?
It's doing good.
Better.
That looks so gross. Is that how it's supposed to look?
No.
So what's wrong with it?
Just needs more activator.
Oh.
To
Are you
this
sure,
activator,
Khai?
I'm used to using the laundry detergent. I'm not used to this activator.
I didn't know you could use laundry detergent.
Yeah, I could use laundry detergent, borax, and all those stuff. Oh, them how it glows in the dark. Here. Here, feel it. It's not sticky.
It's not sticky at all.
Here, take this, take this, take this, take this. Let me work this. Here.
Oh my gosh, it's coming right off. It makes my hand different. It makes my hand white and I don't like it. I can add a glitter now?
Yes, just 2 glitters from the baggie and that's all, okay?
Yeah. First I want to roll it.
Okay.
Oh my god.
You excited, Khai?
Yeah. Add 3 sparkles into my slime.
Tell me those 3 colors.
Gold, pink, and purple, no.
I think that was
Green.
pink.
Pink, this purple, and I'm gonna do white. First, we add the glitter. We have to add a lot because it'll go inside it, and you won't see it. So it's green.
So you're gonna knead it in?
Yeah,
Like
you
you're making dough?
Yeah, you need to knead it in.
Okay.
You do that,
Okay.
and you do.
Okay, you have to move the sparkles out of your way when you're kneading it so you don't spill the sparkles. Look, the sparkle containers. Oh, yes, I see it.
No, it glows in the dark. Let's go test it out. Let's go. Bye, guys. See you in the next video. So next week is going to be Play-Doh. Play-Doh. Bye. Like and subscribe. And hit that like button. And we're going to show you noise computer video. Want to see it? It's in the link down below.